I have I have 5 members in my family, and also my sister and brother is still studying. And my father is a retired army officer, and my mother is a housewife.
Okay, okay, great. So you are the eldest one, neither?
Yeah, I'm the eldest.
Okay, great. Okay, thank you so much for letting us know about your background, Lagni. And I really appreciate that while you are studying, you are doing your own business and you are becoming an entrepreneur. It's එක හොඳ දෙයක්. ඇත්තටම ඒක දිගටම කරගන්න හැමෝටම ඒක බැරි දෙයක්. Right? I really appreciate you. Do not quit. Do not give up. Please continue. Right? It shows your courage. Right? නේ ඇත්තටම ඒකයි අපි ගොඩාක් ළමයිත් එක්කනේ අපි කතා කරන්නේ අපි කන්සල්ටේෂන්ස් කරන්නේ හැමෝටම මේ වගේ දේවල් කරගන්න බෑ ඇත්තට. Right?
Oh.
එතකොට ඔයා වගේ